Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. This is the second video of SQLite PDF tutorial, and in this video we will create open helper class for the SQLite. So first go to the project, and here in the Java right click, new and Java class. Class name will be my helper in my example. My helper, press enter, and here you can see my helper. Now extend with SQLite open helper. So extends SQLite open helper. Now you can see a red line, so just press alt enter and implement methods. Select both and OK. Now again you can see the red line, so again press alt enter and create constructor. Press OK. Now here you can see lots of things, so accept this context, delete all. Now here in the super, first is the name of database, so we will manually put here my database. Okay, the factory we will put null, and the version will be 1. Okay, so all error has been gone. Now in the onCreate we need to create table. So first we will create the string object that will hold the query for the creating table. String create table. So create table. Table name will be my table. And first is invoice number. Its type will be integer. And we will also make it primary key. And also we will put auto increments, so the invoice number will increment automatically. So put auto increment. Okay, put comma. The second is customer name. Its type will be text, comma, contact number. Its type also text, date, and date type is integer. Item will be text, quantity, and its type is integer. Amount, and its type also integer. Now this semicolon for the query and this semicolon for the string object. Okay, now using this SQLite database dot execute SQL and put query, that is create table. Okay, so using these two lines we can create the table in the database. We are not using on upgrade in this example, but we need to put value in the database, and for that we need to create a method, that is insert. Public void insert, and here string customer name, string contact number, long date, item, quantity, amount. You might be thinking, here I have used long for the date, but in the database I am using integer. Okay, so the reason is, if we want to save long value in the SQLite database, we need to use integer. Okay, so that's why I have used integer here and long here. This long is equivalent integer in the SQLite database. Now in the body of this method, first we need to create an object of SQLite database. SQLite database, this dot get writable database. Okay, also create one another object of content values. Now using this content values dot put, first is customer name. This invoice number will be generated automatically using this auto increment. So the second is customer name, just copy from here and put here, comma, this customer name. Okay, same for the next contact number. Content values dot put date, comma, date. Content values dot put item, comma, item. Next is quantity, amount. Now using this SQLite database, dot insert, the table name is my table, null column hack will be null here, and content values, put semicolon. So this is our open helper class. Okay, so friends, this is enough for this video. In the next video we will continue this topic. Okay, so meanwhile please hit like button, subscribe the channel and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next. Till then, bye.